Now this one I've been wanting to draw up for a long while. Tonight we're going to draw REPPAMON from Digimon. Looks like he's from Digimon Tamers. He looks like a fox mixed with a lynx. Breathing. Hi. Besides the fact that REPPAMON was seen in Digimon Tamers, he made a comeback in Digimon Fusion.
You could draw it.
Thanks. I have a site. I teach people how to draw characters.
Not nearly as talented as you.
I'm sure you will be. You can learn something from a guy like me. It takes practice and focus.
Both of which I'm not good to.
Will you subscribe to my channel?
What?
Will you subscribe to my channel, sir?
What's your channel?
Here, I'll show you.
How many subscribers do you have?
Basically, I have like 179.
I'll feed him. Sure.
Thanks, sir.
How old are you?
Basically 21.
You're 20?
Yep.
When's your birthday?
December 27th.
Oh, so you just turned 20.
21, actually.
Oh, you just turned 21.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not very much. I'm 22.
Good for you.
What's your favorite anime?
Digimon, Pokemon, Dragon Ball.
Which Dragon Ball?
Dragon Ball Super?
Really? That's your favorite one?
I hear there's going to be a new movie and a new series.
Dragon Ball Super was fantastic.
Yeah. Remember Ultra Instinct?
Yes, Jiren.
Yeah, I remember Jiren. I drew him on my series. Yeah, you could draw him too.
Can you draw without looking?
Honestly, no. I need a screen to look at in order to draw the character. Otherwise,
Is that Super Saiyan 3?
yeah. Super Saiyan 3 Emperor Tuple.
John. Different lightning.
Now we draw the blade as sticking out of his tail. Here's his eye.
We really expanded our family for the wireless savings.
Let's see, what else can I draw up?
Get unlimited data for as low as... This is gonna be awesome!
Okay, I got these. Now we draw the blade. David Buster. There he is. That's how you draw REPPAMON. Shoot. Forgot to draw this mark here. I think that's one of the claws. And done. There's REPPAMON. To find out how to draw more characters like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Like your rocket, subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later.